managed to save a little bit of money on our tile. We had a 10% coupon to Home Depot, and we went and picked out some tile, and it was actually on sale for like 64 cents or something really cheap. It was a discontinued one, and it's dowel tile, so it's actually good tile. So we were super stoked to find that for our shower. And Jason struggled a little bit getting it up the hill. It was really heavy. Willow, get over here.
That's a maple there. Yeah, I know.
Gold. This one's fairly old too.
These ones, the sawmills wouldn't take these? When? June?
Come here, Willow.
No.
Willow, get over here near me. Now.
Alright. Alright, see if you can stand. There you go. Little bit right there. Hey, guys. Good right there.
So this pile of wood behind me is just one load. We have 3 from logs that we had milled. We actually had a buddy whose uncle has a sawmill, and he said he'd mill them for us if he got half of the wood. So it seemed like a pretty fair trade, and all of this was really nice logs, so we're going to put it to use and not waste it. And what's crazy to me is to think that this is actually half of the load that we had taken. So we have one load we dropped off yesterday and another load on the trailer waiting to be taken. And hopefully this will be enough for our chicken coop, goat shed, and our wood shed.
My mom is painting my walls, and they look really good. And she's gonna paint my bathroom too.
So yesterday we got some painting done, or I got some painting done. Jason and Danny and Uncle Steve were outside working on loading up logs for us to take a load to have them milled again. And we picked up those logs, and then we've loaded another load. So we got all that done yesterday. I got all the downspouts ran out and buried, and got the line in for our outdoor wood stove so that we could heat our water. And so we're going to use that for the house and for the water as well. But I got some color on these walls. I still have all the coats of the white to do, which is every wall except for the 3 different colors. The 2 colors Willow chose in her room, and then the one downstairs. The one downstairs is like the biggest difference, but because it's black, so it's very bold. But anyway, we'll show it to you and let you see what you think. Alright, so I'm about to drop off our water sample to the environmental place, and we hope that it will pass. We're praying that it'll pass because we do not want to have to chlorinate the water to, you know, whatever you have to do to treat it to get whatever out of it. So we're just going to go with it, and hopefully it will pass. We should know by tomorrow between 4 and 5, I think. If so, we can send it on to the health department and complete our well and septic permit. So that's a step in the right direction. That'll be 1 or 2 permits completed out of the 3. So that's great. I am a little concerned though, because it does say it's not recommended to use a swivel faucet. Well, we only have 1 faucet right now, and that happens to be a kitchen style faucet, which obviously swivels. So we'll see. Project Paint the Great Room and Hall Ceilings underway. And now it's time for us to leave our mark on this place forever. What a great way to end a long yet productive week. Lots of work was finished, but we topped it off with a little family time.